Hola clase. Today we're going to review the verb estar and put it with some adjectives showing a temporary state or condition. Remember, estar is for health or feelings, location or position, the present progressive tense, and temporary states. So the poem goes, for how you feel and where you are, you always use the verb estar. For everything else, you would use the verb ser. Let's just review estar. It sounds like estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, and están. The adjectives you're responsible for are as follows. Desordenado, abierto, cerrado, sucio, limpio, enojado, contento, enfermo, nervioso, enamorado, alegre or feliz, cansado, aburrido, triste, and seguro. Be sure to use your mnemonic devices, say these words out loud, write them, do whatever you have to do to try to memorize them. Look at some of them. If I see the word enojado, it reminds me of annoyed because enojado, annoyed. The word contento looks like content. It means happy. Enfermo, I think of an infirmary or the infirm or sickly. Some of them are just so similar. It's easy to remember them. Nervous, nervioso. Enamorado has the word amor right there in the middle, so it means to be in love. So just try to think of some kind of mnemonic device to memorize these. What I want you to take away from this tutorial is the fact that adjectives must match the noun they modify in number and in gender. For example, la puerta está abierta o cerrada. Well, it's open, so está abierta. But look, the door is feminine, so the adjectives have to match. La puerta abierta. Otro ejemplo, los libros están abiertos o cerrados. Están abiertos. So the books are masculine plural, so the adjective has to be masculine plural. Están abiertos. Literally, you're saying they are opens because you're pluralizing the adjective. El cuarto está limpio o sucio. Looks dirty to me. Está sucio. La habitación está ordenada o desordenada. Está desordenada. Habitación is just another way to say room. Las maletas están ordenadas o desordenadas. They look pretty neat, so están ordenadas. El niño está enfermo o contento. Está enfermo. Masculine singular. ¿Están limpios o sucios los perros? Están sucios. We're assuming they're both boys or mixed group. ¿Están limpias o sucias las perras? We're assuming they're all girls, so están limpias. Ella está limpia. Singular feminine. ¿Está cómodo o incómodo? Está incómodo. ¿Ellos están cómodos o incómodos? Remember, mixed group, if there's boys and girls, it's always the masculine. Están cómodos. Ellas están tristes o ocupadas. Tristes is one of those adjectives that can be either masculine or feminine. So you would just pluralize it. It could be a boy or a girl. pero they're girls, so ellas están ocupadas. ¿Está aburrido o aburrida? Está aburrido. ¿Está preocupado o seguro? He looks sure to me. Está seguro. Practiquemos. Match the picture with the phrase. Be sure to look at the person or persons and the ending, and that will help you. Go ahead and pause the presentation, and I'll give you the answers on the next slide. Okay, you should have had están enojados, está nervioso, está enferma, están enamorados, están cerradas, because it's la puerta and las ventanas, all feminine, y está triste. Another thing I want to point out is sometimes some adjectives change meaning if you use them with the verb ser versus estar. For example, la clase es aburrida. The class is boring. Raúl está aburrido. Raúl is bored. So with ser, it means boring. And with estar, it means bored. Otro ejemplo. The car, el Audi, es un carro seguro. So this word seguro with ser means it's a safe car. And with estar, it means he's sure. If I ask you, ¿estás seguro? ¿Quieres ir al cine? Are you sure you want to go to the movies? Sí, estoy seguro or segura. Otro ejemplo. Las peras son verdes. Pears are green. Las bananas están verdes. So they just haven't ripened all the way. They're unripe or they're still green. Jorge es guapo. So he's a handsome guy. He's just always going to be handsome. But if I say, wow, qué guapo estás, I'm implying, wow, you look nice. Like maybe you shaved, you did your hair, you put on a nice outfit. Qué guapo estás. Oprah Winfrey es rica. So she's wealthy. El postre está rico. So the dessert is tasty or rich. Here's some other examples if you want to take a look at it and pause the presentation. So you'll see that there are quite a few that change meaning with ser versus estar, but not every single one. I hope this helps. Buena suerte.